Oh, yeah, okay,
Hello?
so yeah, just tell me again, slowly. what, what exactly was your question?
Can you please help me in changing fractions into like fractions, having the LCD as the denominator?
The LCD as the denominator.
Yeah, lowest common
Yes,
denominator
yes,
as
no,
a
okay. But do you have an
denominator.
example of such a question there?
Um, I do, but it's not like that much of an example.
Okay, well let me get
I
going
hope it
then.
would help.
Let's look at
Okay.
a very simple fraction. A
Okay.
half. Okay?
Mhm.
Now I'm giving you the number 3. So multiply the 1 by 3 and the 2 by 3. What does the fraction become then?
3/6.
Okay. Now 3/6 is a like fraction of 1/2, or an equivalent fraction. Okay, that's a correct
Yeah.
word we use. It's an equivalent fraction. Now you could have
Okay.
multiplied by 4, you could have multiplied by 6, you could have multiplied by 10. To get the equivalent fraction. It doesn't really matter. As long as you multiply above the line and below the line by the same number, then you'll get a new fraction, which is the equivalent fraction.
Okay.
The only thing I don't quite understand is the LCD as the denominator. That for me is a bit strange. The wording of that seems
No,
strange.
no, I mean like changing fractions into like fractions, having the LCD as the denominator.
Yeah, but now the LCD of what? I mean, if I give you this, if I say 3/4, give me an equivalent fraction of 3/4. You can then say, let's multiply by 2. Alright, and then you'll get 6/8.
Yeah.
But now, where does the LCD come in? Is it the LCD of 4 and 8, or the LCD of 4 and 1? Because you normally talk about LCD when you add fractions. You don't talk about LCD when you find equivalent fractions.
Yeah. Okay.
But does it make sense how to create an equivalent fraction? You simply multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number, and whatever your new fraction is your equivalent fraction. It's a like fraction to the previous one. I don't know if I'm actually answering your question. Maybe you should give me the example or the question that you have, and let's take it from there and see if I've actually got the correct topic in control here.
Okay, I think it's not exactly an example, but it could help.
That's fine, let's
Like
try it.
3/14 e equals to 3/14, and then it says at the bottom it says 2/7 equal 4/14.
Like that.
Yeah.
Okay. But now
Then the equal sign in the middle.
yeah, of course. But you'll notice that we multiplied by 2 and by 2
Yeah.
to
I'm
get the
registered.
4/14, and there at the 3/14 we simply multiplied by 1.
Yeah.
Okay, so the right hand side fraction is an equivalent fraction every single time.
Okay.
But like I said, I still don't really understand the LCD thing. That is a bit strange to me still. But I think we are referring to equivalent fractions to begin with, and that's all you need to know about equivalent fractions, is multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same whole number to get a new fraction, which is then an equivalent fraction.
Okay.
Alright, does that make sense?
Yeah, it does.